How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and an install on the solar powered phone mount. This fits all S550s except the performance packs. So if you have any of those performance packs with the 2 gauges in the center, it's not going to work for your car. Aside from that, it's pretty straightforward install. You just kind of clip it on. Yeah, so let's get to it. So inside we got a whole bunch of bubble wrap, so it's well packaged, so make sure your package is secure and safe. Right here we have the clip that goes onto the vent, and then right here we have the phone mount itself. So you take it out. It also comes with a charger. So the way these work is it has a button, it opens up, you put your phone in, and then it locks it in itself. Has a pretty good grip. It doesn't move. It keeps your phone very secure in there. So it is solar powered, so it does charge up with the sun right here. But if it doesn't charge up or you need to charge it, you got a charger right here that connects to this. So it's a pretty straightforward install. I'll show you guys in the car in a second. So here inside the car, this is what I was talking about. So if you have the performance pack, whether it's the PP1 or PP2 or whatever, it's not going to work for you. It's a really straightforward install. All you have is the clip here, and then the phone mount here, and these 2 bottom pieces here, these 2 little clips clip onto this trim right here, and this top one hangs onto this trim piece right here. So yeah, it's really straightforward. You just kind of push it in there, press this part, make sure this part clips in, and it's pretty secure there. On the back of the phone mount, it has this little thing. You just twist it, take it off. I like to put that first, and then I like to push this in, and then it kind of, you know, you could kind of move it around where you want it, and then you go ahead and tighten this little part up. Once you have it tight, you make sure everything is secure, and then you could move it around. If you want to move it around some more, you just loosen it and you get it to where you want it, and then once you have it where you want it, you go ahead and tighten it back up. I really like it as it has the lit up Mustang logo. That's pretty cool. So yeah, once you press it, it opens up, and then you could go ahead and put your phone in, and it recognizes it and it closes it. Pretty secure. I like it. It's in a good spot. It's not too far away, and it's not too high up, and it's pretty much just in a good spot right there. Overall, I really like it. The quality is really nice. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, it does come with a charger, so if it's not doing this, that means that the battery on it is dead, so you're gonna have to plug it in, charge it for a little bit. But usually, since it's sitting right here by your window, it should get solar powered. So it's pretty good. It's nice. It's nice quality. You guys should check it out. Thanks for watching.